So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Solana with Apple Pay here on the MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened up, just go to the bottom left and press home. And then where it says buy, swap, send, receive, go ahead and press buy. Then press on buy again. Once you're on this page, just go ahead and select Solana. So I'll just go ahead and filter here by Solana and then press Solana. Once you're on this page, type in the amount of Solana that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy, I don't know, $100 worth, you do 100, 200, etc. And right below that, where it says Apple Pay, go ahead and press on that and make sure that Apple Pay is selected. This will basically be your payment method. You have Apple Pay or debit or credit, but we'll keep it to Apple Pay for this video. Once that is done, press continue. On the next page right here, just go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, press continue and then proceed with the next steps that way to complete the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Solana with Apple Pay on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.